Okay, here's the seat. I'm gonna go through the installation. Of course, it's gonna be more difficult in the car, but this will give you the idea. That is the seat on the ship. So, I'll make sure this is in the picture. Yeah, it is. Okay, so this clip needs to be flipped over upside down like that. So we need to get that in there. And to do that, of course, these wires will be connected to the car. You need to compress the seat, lift that over the rail. Okay, that side went in, this side's not wanting to go in. It's a tight fit because the, okay, that's all snapped in. It's a tight fit because the foam, there's extra foam. So then you want to do the same thing on the sides. You flip it. I cut these down to try to make it easier to get in there. But there's nothing easy about this. So I need to flip it over as I compress the seat. It'd be good to have two people doing this. Someone pushing the seat down in the car. Somebody flipping this over. The hardest one's going to be the inside, close to the console. You know, sometimes I don't even connect that one. Depends on how the seat fits and how it looks. You want to roll this over while you compress the. Okay, that went in. All right. So the last one, you got to make sure. I didn't go over this, but you got to make sure that this gets fed through correctly. This is the seat sensor that goes through the cushion, and then I usually include some wire. I mean, it's just wire, but I found that this particular wire is really useful. I double bagged it. Should have had this ready. Okay. Now, set these wires, and what I do is, the problem is that, you know, we lift it up so much that these things can't clip in here like they used to. So I don't even try anymore. I just find a way to hook these in. It's kind of cheater straps or something. You can bend them any way you want to make it work. You're going to be working underneath the seat while it's tipped. So there's nothing easy about this, but it's not really technically difficult. You can come up with your own way, but this is the way I did it. So I hooked that in like that, and then you take these things. Again, you got to compress the seat to get it to go to where you can hook it up. So this hooked up. Then you do the same thing with this one on this side. I'm just gonna skip that. And this is how the seat will look installed. See, it has the look and the feel of a Tesla seat, right? but it's flatter. A discerning eye can see it, but probably no one else will see it. I've tucked these in, and I've secured them down. You have to, and I put in slots in the different foam I put in there. This foam is not the stock foam. This foam, I go over this in another video, but this foam is not the Tesla foam. So not only did I add that, but the big thing is I added that. But as we get this, now it's nice and fluffy, nice support. You don't feel anything. That's what I tested for. Make sure anyone I give this to doesn't feel hard, anything hard. This looks like a good seat. We can also try sitting in it. Sitting is a little tricky. Where's my stool? I don't have a stool. See if I can do this without falling down. This is kind of what the seat feels like. Bouncy, bouncy. Right now it's leaning back, but you can adjust all that when you're in the seat to where you want it. And you can make adjustments wherever your installer is. You know, if you find something that's not to your liking, you can move things around. You can change this this foam configuration if you want to. Nothing's stopping you from doing that. Hope this helps. This thing should be on its way shortly. Thank you for watching.